metal. Hello and good day, kids. It's Todd from ToJu Racing. How we doing today? It is Saturday afternoon. The entire Truer showed up yesterday, and here it is. We're going to take a closer look. All right, here we go. Tire Truers from NP Labs. You should check them out. I'll put a link to their website down below. Take a look. All right. All right, so we've got our pads. Bottle to put in your water or alcohol, I assume. And the Truer itself. Very cool. Directions. Let's take a quick look-see at these. Pretty good directions on what you need to do. And the other side tells you how to use it. I'm going to take a closer look at these. We'll be back in a minute. All right, so the first thing we do is put the rubber feet on. You can see I put one of them on already, and you just got to peel these bad boys off. And hopefully they don't have the backing. There we go. And just put them in these little holes. We're going to continue. Okay, we got the feet in place. Now we have to take this piece of hook and loop and place it here. All right. All right, our next step is to apply the discs to sand onto this. It says to cut them in half, then you can use the one of each of the 180 and the 220. So let's go ahead and cut these in half. Which also gives you 2 fresh sheets for later. And what we're also supposed to do is take one of these rags. This is to catch the dust from your tires. And you put that right there on that hook and loop, and that'll hold that. All right, and we apply the discs. If you can't get them with your fingernails, use an X-Acto knife. Okay, there's one. And 2. All right, well, that's not on there quite right, is it? All right, we got the discs on there as they're supposed to be. And now we're just supposed to fill up this bottle with alcohol or water. I'm just going to use water. We'll be back. All right, we're filled up with water. Let's go to the track. All right, now you want to put this in the track. This is a little lock right here. See? And then there's a pin back here. So you want to get the pin in. And then put the lock there. And she's going to sit pretty good there. Now you grab your car and put it in place. Batmobile needs Trude. Sorry, the Batmobile. And then, of course, you turn your discs using this little thing here. Got a little lock, kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna go with the higher grit first. Okay, so the front one is the one that will actually do the work, so let's spin that. Alrighty. All right, we want to add, according to the directions, a drop or two of water where the tires go for cleaning methods and for sanding. All right. Fire up the track. Said you may need to support the car, we'll see. Okay, it did say to make sure your brushes are contacting correctly, which they weren't. Oh, I was in a dead spot. Ha ha. Foo-foo on me, huh? There we go. Okay. Look at that. Got it going at a nice slow pace. All right. Don't want to overdo it. You can see it's actually doing its job. Now we'll flip it up and run it through the cleaner. And now let's take a look. You can actually see, of course, where it's doing its job. They're still a little damp. Let me try drying them a little bit more. Yeah, it's working nice. These still need way flattened out, but it's doing its job. Very cool. All right, the Batmobile likes it. Let's give it a little test run here. Hang on. All right, kids, we got the Batmobile on here. We're gonna give her a shot. We've done a couple sandings. We'll see how she does. She's cleaning really good. These tires still need a little bit of work to be completely flat, but you can tell it's clinging really well. Let's try the outside lane here. All right. Okay, guys and girls, after using this on the Batmobile and doing a nice little tire trimming, this is a really nice piece of equipment for the money. Thank you very much to NP Labs and to Two Lines Raceway for the contest and generously mailing me this tire trimmer. It works really good. On a scale of 1 to 10 metals, I give it 9 metals. I didn't have to really hold the car up at all in the back end as it did its thing, as you saw earlier in the video. When I did dry the tires, I did have to lift it slightly. It does say that you need to do that in the directions, so that's all applied for. But this is just a great little unit. It really is very affordable. I'm gonna, like I said, put a link down below to the page where you can get one of these if you want one. It really works great. I've got a lot of other cars to true, and I'm looking forward to getting them through there. So, see you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on. Keep your tires true.